Earn $100 in 24 hours watching videos. How to make money online. You like watching videos? Do you really? Would you like to get paid to watch videos? Well, you're going to want to watch this video, because this video is going to tell you how you can watch videos and make money. That makes sense, right? Yeah, good. We're starting right now. Hey, thanks for visiting my channel. If you're new to my channel, do me a favor, subscribe, hit that subscribe button down there. And while you're at it, turn on notifications, hit the notification bell right there, ring the bell, turn on all notifications so that you are notified every single time I do a new video. You're part of the Fisher family, the VIP group that gets notified every single time I go live or do a new video. You're special. You're part of the VIP group. You're the Fisher family. You'll be in front of the line. Cool stuff. Let's get started. Okay, I'm JR Fisher. I've been selling online since 2009, and I've sold millions of dollars of both digital and physical products. It's been fun. I've really enjoyed it. We've had a good time. I want you to come along with me on this journey, and I want you to make some money. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money just watching videos. I'm going to show you the site you need to go to, and we're getting started right now. Oh, I forgot to tell you, comment on this video, put a comment below right there. Just put a comment below and ask me a question. Tell me what you've done online. Have you made money online? Have you tried to make money online? What happened? And also, I have a course for you. It's a $97 course, but hang on, go down in the description, click on it, you get it for free. No credit card required. Click and learn. Check it out. All right, let's go here and watch some videos and make money. Okay, I'm at a site now called Arazoo. Very, very cool site. And as you see here, we've paid our members $104,216,464 in cash. Okay, so here's how it works. It tells you right here, brands pay us for consumer input. So we recruit members like you. When you do activities at Arazoo, I think that's right, Arazoo, you earn free gift cards and cash. Joining is simple and sign up is free. Start earning now. So if you want to get started, you'd click this button right here and you would get started. Here comes the screen, and you would either join with Facebook or create an account. So what I'm going to say is have an account already, because I've already signed up for this, and I'm going to log in with Facebook. Okay, so I'm already in here. Now when you get to this screen right here, this is where you need to set up your account. So the first thing you have to do is your profile questions. Now I already filled this out. It's really important when you're filling out these profile questions that you do it as accurately as possible. In doing so, they will match you up with the best things for you to make money with. If you don't fill this out correctly, you won't get matched up well. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to get an email from them, and they're going to send you the email, and you have to verify it. Now if you see here it says verify email, I've already done that. Okay, I've verified my email, and then the next thing you can do is upload your profile image, and I've already done that too. Okay, so I've done all these things that are needed to be done. And then there's a video here. If you watch the video, it tells you how Arazoo works. Okay, let's check it out real quick. Let me get the volume up here so you guys can hear this.
Are you a stay-at-home mom or a woman who's in between jobs? If you spend a lot of your time at home, the internet is probably your link to the rest of the world. So what if you could take your internet time and turn it into a way to generate usable income? What if your computer downtime could become financial uptime? Introducing Arazoo, the easiest way to earn money online by doing what you already love. Surfing the net. It's easy. Go to Arazoo.com, register for free, and start earning. Watch videos, fill out surveys, play games, complete offers, and much, much more. As you surf, you collect points which you can exchange for free gift cards. Gift cards are sent via email and can be used online or in our partner stores such as Walmart, Target, CVS, and more. Arazoo has a huge number of well-known gift card partners, and if you have questions, our exceptional customer service personnel can provide you with a speedy answer. Arazoo is the perfect way to be there for your family and boost your bank account. You're already surfing the net. Now earn extra money on the side and buy gifts for yourself and for your family. Turn your internet time into free gift cards with Arazoo.
Okay, so we did get clarified. It's Arazoo, not Arazoo. So we got that. So then about it, there's a whole bunch of other things you can do down here. Popular partners, we could click on that and look. Peanut Lab surveys, play games. Let's go back over here. The daily goal, okay. Daily goal, earn 25 points a day, and then they have all the different things down here that you need to do. Complete all daily goals 28 times in 1 month, you get 1,200 points. So these are all the different things. Let's go back over here real quick. But as soon as you sign up, believe me guys, you're going to start getting offers. I got a huge amount of offers on this. Refer friends right here. If you refer friends, here's the points you get here. And you can email it, you can do Facebook, you can do Twitter right there. And then it's got your total of referrals down here. Let's go back here. What else we got? Reward store, you can go in here, check out your reward store. And it shows you all the different rewards you can get. You've got everything from Amazon, Best Buy, Domino's, Dunkin' Donuts, Groupon, Spotify, Starbucks, Uber Eats, so all those are in there. And you can take a site tour right here if you want. This will actually walk you through it. And I won't do that in this video. I would suggest you doing it because, let's upsize this a touch here. It's an online rewards platform that pays you for completing activities. So you can earn points with play games, take surveys, watch videos, complete offers, or download apps. All these things can earn you money, but I want you to understand how all those things work. So I'm not going to go through all of that right now. Okay, I've already verified the email and done all that. Okay, I can just click off of here. And I'm gonna skip this one right here. All right, and then I'm going to get started. Okay, so I've already gotten started here. I've already gone through all these here, so you know. But you want to check out all this stuff here. We've got a travel profile, health profile, interest profile, shopping, technology, automobile, household. And the reason you want to fill this out is you're going to get more targeted offers that will better match you, and it's going to be a whole lot better for you. Here's up here, this tab here, you can actually answer surveys. If we click on that, it's going to give you surveys. You can click get started, and then when you get into the survey here, as you can see, it's going to start asking you a lot of questions because it wants to send you the right things. It's going to want to know male, female, all this stuff. I'll click through a couple of these here. Male, I'll say I'm male. It's going to ask for your date of birth, all these different things. I'm not going to do that at this time. If I want to play games, here's some games you can play. If you're into playing games, if you're playing games anyhow, guys, you know, why not get paid to do it? I mean, if this is your thing, there's Sudoku. I don't know these games. I don't play games. I don't do any of this. But you know, if you want to view all games, you could click here. After finishing a game, be sure to click continue, exit, or submit. Score your points because your points are going to be worth something. Okay, and then it's going to take you to all these different games here. If you're into games, this will be wonderful for you. I'm not into games. This is not wonderful for me. I would rather, you know, be creating something. But for those of you who like this, you can certainly do it. So this is Arazoo right here. And Arazoo is a way you can make money. There is not a way on there for you to become a multimillionaire. Okay, if you're thinking about making tons of money, like hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars, you're not going to make it on Arazoo. But if you just want to spend some time online doing some clicking through and earn some extra cash, you can certainly do that. There's really no excuse for somebody not making money online nowadays. There's just way too many ways to do it. There's way too many sites you can do it on. This is one of many. I've got other videos that will show you other ways to make money online, but this is one way you can do it. This is a way to get started. Do I recommend this for everybody? No. If you want to start an online business, I would say start an online business. If you just want to click around and you want to spend a little bit of time making a little bit of money on the side and not really giving a lot of thought, this is perfect for you. This is perfect for you. But it's not going to be a great amount of money. I don't want you to think it is. You know, a great amount of money to me is 6 figures in a month. You're not going to make 6 figures in a month here. You will make some money, and it's guaranteed money, and you don't have to worry about it, and it's stress-free. If you want to do that, knock yourself out, do it. Now, if you want to learn how to sell more online, what I would suggest you doing is grabbing my course. It's below. It's a $97 course. You can get it absolutely free, cost you nothing, but it's a $97 course. I'm temporarily doing this. You'll find a link in the description below there. You just look down in the description, click the link, and you can make some money. Now, you may have questions about this. You may have questions about making money online, and you may have nobody to ask. What you do now, you can go down in the comment section and type your questions in there. Ask me anything you want about making money online. If I have knowledge on it, I'll answer it. If I don't, I'll tell you that too. Okay, I do have people that put stuff in there and I'm like, I have no idea what they're talking about, and I will tell you that too. But even if I don't know what you're talking about, I'll probably research it for you and I'll probably help you out. So check it out, find out if I'm going to do that by putting a comment below. Don't forget, give me a thumbs up, thumbs down if you didn't like it. Goodness gracious, I hope not. I really appreciate you watching this video. I really do. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And when you subscribe, you want to ring the bell, turn on all bell notifications. This is super important because you're going to have a choice, you know, if it's going to be selected or some of them. You want to just pick all. That's the important one to pick. If you pick this, guess what? You will be part of the Fisher family, the VIP group that gets notified every single time I do a video, or if I go live and we could actually talk, which would be super cool too. Now, if you really want to grow your business and make more money online, check out this video right here. You got to check it out. You're really going to like it. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.